That's a good line right there.
You don't want to slip that way off of it, James. You want to go right where you're at. Just a little driver, right there. Pull your knee right just a little as you're going forward. Go ahead.
He's like, am I repping the tree? Yep, you sure are. Oh man, holy smokes.
No, that wasn't quite the line.
Back up just a little bit.
I did actually.
He hit something.
I know, I think his bumper hit the wall there.
Yeah,
bro.
I think it's all right though. I
Come
think.
here. Casey's got to hurry, okay?
Yep. Oh, don't go full lock. That's how you pop CVs right there. Nice, good line. That's it right there. He had, because he was like, oh yeah, that's really good in snow. And I was like, yeah, I know. Like, I wheeled the shit out of one of these. Man, this is awesome. Oh, let's go. That was sweet.